literally hearing fireworks inside my mouth. This is good. That's one of the best experiences so far.
Hey, it's Cassjcass and welcome back to my channel. Let's catch up. Subscribe for more.
Hey guys, as promised, here is another Universal Yum snack review. I don't know where this one came from yet, so we're going to explore that together. I did say in my last video that I will be making one snack review video every month because that's when I get them. Whenever I get them, I make the video because I'm excited, as I told you guys. So last month I did one from Germany. I was tasting snacks from Germany, but this month we don't know yet. I didn't even check to see if they would tell me where it's going coming from, because I want to experience this with you guys. So let's just get into the video. Here is our box for this month, and it's coming from hold on now. I don't remember where to look. Like I said, I'm fairly new as well. This is only my second time doing this. So let's see where it's coming from. This one seems to be themed around Christmas. But I don't like that they don't tell me where it's coming from. I'm supposed to be trying a snack every month from a different country, not from Christmas. I mean, Christmas is cool and all, but that's not that. I'm trying to go around the world, okay? There's Christmas in the US. I'm good with that. It just says, something says the North Pole, and I doubt that my snacks will be coming from the North Pole. I have to go look something up because I don't think I'm happy yet. I'm not happy yet. I need to know where this snack is coming from, okay? So let me do some research. Let me go on the website to see something. Okay. So, all right. So here's the thing. These snacks are literally from around the world. So I have this popcorn that's from Taiwan, and these trophies that is from France, and these Echoes potato chips that's from Spain, and these dulce de leche dulce, I don't know if they pronounce it dulce or dulce de leche, that's from Argentina, and mocktail bonbons, that's from United Kingdom, and these assorted candies. So there are two different types of candies inside these. Two of them, that's called crabs. Let me open them real quick. So there are 4 candies inside of these. These crabs, I hope they're not made with crabs for real. Okay, so it's cocoa and peanut butter filled. All right, those are from Ukraine. And then the milk chocolates are from they're from Italy. So I'm literally tasting snacks today. Okay, I'm happy now. I really wasn't happy earlier, but I'm happy now. So I'm tasting snacks today from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 countries. We're going to start with the popcorn. That is salted egg yolk popcorn. That sounds something. Salted egg yolk popcorn. So let's see. Salted egg yolk. All right. It smells really good. It don't smell like egg yolk. That's one thing. Okay. That's really good. That's really good popcorn. It's salted, but like it's not too buttery. I can sort of smell like a little caramel on it though. Oh, these are really good snacks. I'm gonna save them for later. Our next one is going to be the Truffles and Co's Raspberry Macaroon. So they're raspberry macaroon chocolate truffles. All right. So they look like they feel like they've been smushed. So let me open it from here. Ugh, like I saw, they have been smushed. Okay, that was not me. So they look a mess in there, but let's still try them. Ooh, they're like, ugh. Alright. It's falling. Okay, I don't like this from the top. It's just because it's mushy. I don't know where one ends, the other one begins. And I mean, I like chocolate, but it's not dark chocolate, so it's not that perfect. I love dark chocolate. I mean, yeah, I don't like it. All right. So from the top, that's a 0. Okay. Like we're gonna be super honest with this. Okay, I'm not gonna say I like something if I don't. If I find it disgusting, it will be disgusting. So anyways, that was a 0 from the beginning. We're not even gonna count that at the end. Okay. All right, our next one is going to be the Macta Bun Buns. So from my last video, I did have bun buns that I really liked. They were like lemon tasty bun buns. So let's try these. So these are different. These are like, ooh. So I guess you can put that in your Macta or something. So let's try one. This is from the United Kingdom, by the way. They're very chewy, very flavorful. I think I was supposed to like just like suck on it, not chew it. But now it's stuck on my teeth. So our next one is dulce de leche. It's like a plum cake. Well, it's not like a plum cake, it's a plum cake. So let's see. It's dulce de leche filling plum cake. All right. So that's how it looks. That is from Argentina, by the way. I mean, it tastes okay, but the filling is actually really good. But the plums, it smells old. But it tastes okay. It smells old. I don't know. I've never had it, so everything is being criticized based on my understanding and my standards, I guess. All right, next one we're going to try those potato chips called white truffle potato chips from Echo. So, all right, none of them wants to open the way I wanted to open, so I'll just rip the side. So potato chips. It tastes like garlic, but I don't know. I don't see garlic anywhere here. Oh yes. It does have garlic powder in it, so it tasted like garlic. Because if I didn't see garlic powder anywhere and it tasted like garlic, that would have been a complete zero for me. But it does have garlic in it, so. Oh, that's good. That's good potato. Okay, potato chips. Yeah, sunflower seeds, stuff like that. So that's really good. Okay, next one is going to be the crab candy. That is from Ukraine. Hold on now. Crab candy. Why is it called crab candy? Let me check, because I don't eat crabs, so I need to find out why is it called that. Is it because it's is it because it's shaped like a crab, or I need to find out. I have to do my research real quick before I eat this, because I need to know why it's called crab candy. Yeah. Upon my research, I can safely eat this because it doesn't contain anything with any meat, anything at all, like crab. But I needed to know, okay, because there's a crab right there on the cover, on the plastic. So yeah, so it's caramel and nuts, and chocolate peanut powder and a crunchy candy shell. So I guess it's because of the shell they called it crab, because crabs have shells. All right, so let's eat this. Oh, so it just works. Again, why I don't know why I keep chewing on candy when I'm supposed to be just savoring it, but you gotta do this fast, alright? So that's how the inside looks, and then compared to the outside, so it's really like it cracks super easily. It's not hard. It's just like the shell is really soft. So anybody, if you have nut allergies or you're allergic to peanuts, be careful with that if you ever do try it, okay? So the inside is filled with it. I mean, it will say it, just be careful. Our next one that's from Italy is called milk chocolate with strawberry popping candy. So that's a huge one. So let's see. All right. Oh, I can actually just open it up. Look. Nice. All right. So it has these inside. Hopefully you can see. So it's milk chocolate. I eat milk chocolate, but I don't like it. No. Mm. Oh. Oh my god. As I'm experiencing it, that's what I'm reading where it says truffle as excited as in Italian firework. I'm literally hearing firework inside my mouth. This is good. That's one of the best experience so far. Okay, let me just eat it. So there's these little things inside. I think those are the one that's creating the firework. Mm. Oh. So I'm chewing it. Ah, it's getting louder. Wow. See? this is why I'm trying these things, because it's amazing, you know. They always say save the best for last, or the last, I don't know what, I don't even know, but the last one was the best one. So let's rate them. First one, obviously top tier, would be the the milk chocolate, that I don't even like milk chocolate, but the taste was amazing, the experience was amazing. It was more about the experience itself than it was the taste. The egg yolk popcorn, number 2. And then number 3 would be the potato chips with garlic, because I do like garlic tasting things. The number 4 would be these candies. Number 5 would be these crab cakes. I keep saying crab cakes, but crab candies. And of course, number 6 would be this, which doesn't taste bad. It's just that I don't like the smell. And last are those chocolates, because they were melted, and it doesn't taste bad again. It's just like, I don't like it. Okay, but this is it for the video. I'm so happy that you made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you haven't, go check them out. Like, it's really about the experience, bro. It's really my voice, I'm losing my voice, but it's really about the experience. Try different things, you know, do something new. That's what I'm taking my own advice, okay? So, but I did enjoy this today. Now I know if I ever go to one of these countries, what not to try, because yeah. But this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I will put the link so you can get $5 discount on the description below, so go try it out, okay? So but yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also check out my other videos, because I do try to post them every week, once a week. I'm working on it, okay? I'm working on it. But thank you so much for your support again. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.